Pag-iisipan ko ang mga bagay na ito. I'll think over this matter. Wala na yon or hindi na mahalaga. It doesn't matter. Natutuwa akong makita ka. Glad to see you. Ikaw ang may pananagutan dito. You're responsible for this. Huwag kang makipagtalo sa akin. Don't argue with me. Huwag kang matakot. Don't be afraid. Huwag mong subukan ang pasensya ko. Don't try my patience. Aalis ba ako o mananatili? Should I leave or stay? Hindi ko kasalanan. It's not my fault. Ginagalit mo ako. You're making me mad. Ano ang nangyayari? What is going on? Hindi ako makapaghintay. I can't wait. Ihain ang pagkain. Serve the food. Huwag kang magdahilan. Don't make excuses. Marunong ka bang magsalita ng English? Do you know how to speak English? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!